Hey guys, it's Donut Guy here, and last time you all saw my video, I tried repairing a banana. Well, this time, I'm going to show you actually how to repair a banana, because a lot of you guys have been wondering, like, how I made the video. Of course, I did it in front of your eyes, which should be enough, but for this one, I'm going to do a step-by-step process on exactly how to repair a dead banana. So, this is what we have here. We have a banana. It died of natural causes. And I think it's a perfect example, especially for beginners. Okay, so the first thing you want to do in the banana repairing process is to remove the skin. So tear as much skin off as you possibly can of the banana, because your repaired banana will not need any of this. The skin. So here, let me... Alright. So the skin is completely removed. Next, you're gonna want a nice kitchen knife or something. This is my favorite. It's kind of pointy, it's shiny, and basically what you're gonna do is just chop the banana into as many pieces as possible. The more pieces it's cut into, the better the banana will be prepared. So I will go cut the banana and show you exactly how. And something else I didn't point out is you want to leave this and put it on this side over here. This will definitely help in the banana repairing process. So basically what we've done is we chopped up this banana and now it's ready to be repaired. Sincere apologies. So now I am going to go and repair the banana. So basically what you want to do is take it piece by piece and just put it together like a puzzle. There we go. We have a completely repaired banana. Now, if you have any questions, leave it down on the comments below. But if you have any hate, don't leave any because I get sad. Thank you very much.